We'll guide you through how to make mirror effect in Ibis Paint X. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People mostly search this tutorial because it solves several common drawing challenges and makes artwork easier and cleaner. Instead of drawing both sides separately, you only draw one half, and the app mirrors it automatically. This saves a lot of time because it shortcuts some steps, especially for detailed designs. First, open your Ibis Paint by double-clicking the icon on the desktop. Create a new project by Choose My Gallery. Then move your cursor to the upper menu bar and left-click on the plus logo. After that, set up your canvas by choosing one of the available dimension options provided. If you prefer a custom size, you can manually adjust the pixel dimensions to suit your needs. When your canvas has finished loading, go to the top toolbar and select the ruler tools. From there, navigate to the symmetry ruler settings and choose the mirror ruler option. Adjust the direction of the mirror line by sliding the face slider until it matches your desired orientation. Once you are satisfied with the adjustment, left-click again on the ruler tools to confirm the setting. Now you are ready to draw your object. You may either use a brush tool for freehand drawing or select shape tools to place defined objects. To create a symmetrical drawing, simply draw across the canvas with your brush, and the mirror effect will automatically reflect your strokes. Alternatively, you can produce mirrored objects by using the shape tools in the same way. When you have completed your artwork, move to the export option and left-click on it. Then, choose the Save Image option from the menu. Finally, select your preferred file format and complete the process by clicking the OK button to save your image. Make sure to review your image before saving to ensure everything appears as expected. If needed, you can go back and make adjustments using the same tools described earlier. Take advantage of layers, colors, and brush settings to refine your design further. Practicing these steps will help you become more comfortable with the application over time. By following this complete sequence carefully, you can consistently create clean and symmetrical artwork using the mirror ruler feature in Ibis Paint.